Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Solution. Today we are diving into the biggest leak in the Android world right now, the upcoming Google Pixel 10. From a brand new Tensor G5 chip to a triple camera setup, fast AI performance, and possibly a new foldable, the Pixel 10 might just be Google's boldest move yet. So if you are thinking of upgrading or you just love shiny tech, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with what you really want to know. When is it coming and how much will it cost? The Pixel 10 is expected to launch on August 20, 2025, with pre-orders going live the same day. The actual release should follow on August 28th. That is when Google is actually planning to release the Google Pixel 10 phone. As for now, the price range for the Google Pixel 10 is within £899 for the Pixel 10 base, then £1,099 for the Pixel 10 Pro, £1,299 for the Pixel 10 Pro SL version. For the big boys out there, the Pixel Fold 10 could go for £1,899. Now, those are European prices, but expect similar ranges in dollars and naira when it lands globally. So that is the phone that the whole world is expecting now from Google. It's a game changer phone. Now onto the powerhouse behind this device, the Tensor G5 chip. This chip is built on TSMC's 3nm process, which means it was built on the foundation of more power, better battery efficiency, and even faster AI processing. Google is not joking this time. Whether you are gaming, editing photos, or using voice commands, the Pixel 10 promises buttery smooth performance with smarter on-device AI features. RAM, you are getting 12 gig on the most variants, with storage starting from 128 gigabytes and going up to 512 gigabytes or even 1 terabyte on the Fold version of the Pixel 10. Wow, this is mind-blowing. We can't wait to see the launch of this latest phone by Google. Let's talk about the design. This year, the Pixel 10 comes with a 6.3-inch FHD plus OLED display running at a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so it should hold up against scratches and minor drops. And here is a cool one. Peak brightness could go up to 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest display on the market right now. That's insane for outdoor use, right? IPv6 rating, flat edge design, and color like obsidian black, coral pink, porcelain white, and a rumored sky blue. Definitely a premium look. Of course, you should trust Google when it comes to design and color. So all of this we expect in the coming days. Now let's look at the major features that we expect to see in the Pixel 10 Pro phone. Okay, we expect to see a 48MP main lens, and then a 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. But what really sets it apart is the AI magic. Smart night sight, real-time HDR video processing, and of course Magic Eraser and Magic Editor are getting upgrades. Whether you are capturing nice shots, portraits, cinematic video, this is one built-in for all creators. Now here is the futuristic part. Gemini AI is coming deep into the Pixel 10. That means real-time voice translation even offline, smart reply suggestions, generative photo editing, add or remove elements, and maybe even AI video summarizes for your galleries. All of this processed right on device without needing to connect to the cloud. That's thanks to the power of Tensor G5 and Google's AI dominance. So what else is cooking? Well, leaks have shown that Google is testing prototypes with new terminals, better cooling, and even UFS 4.0 storage for faster app launches. There's also a foldable version coming, the Pixel 10 Fold condensed Rango. It could be slimmer and more durable than last year's. So what do I think? This is shaping up to be Google's best Pixel yet. Clean software, serious AI chops, and real camera innovation. If you're excited for the Pixel 10, hit that like button and let me know in the comments section. Are you buying or you are just passing? Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Solution for more tech breakdown like this. Simple, clear, and real. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.